Hello everyone! So now we're going to use the distributive property to factor the greatest common factor in a polynomial. So we used the distributive property in the last chapter to multiply. If you have a factor outside of parentheses, then you multiply by distributing. So this front factor will multiply everything in parentheses, all the terms in the parentheses, a times b plus a times c. But you can also go backwards, right? So basically, if you have it expanded out and there's a common factor in all the terms, then you can pull out that common factor and it sort of gets divided out of the original ones. And what's left in parentheses is what's left of each term when you divide out that common factor. Alright, so that's the distributive property we're going to use. So in this example 6.2, we look at each term, we look at the numbers and go, oh, they all divide by 4. Okay, so 4 is a common factor. Right? And then in parentheses, you're going to put what's left over if I divide everything by 4. Okay? Now you look at each of the variables. Alright, so you want to pull out all the parts of the common factor out before you divide, right? So m and m, they all have m. M to the 3, m to the 2, m. So we take the m to the lowest exponent, which is m to the 1. Alright, so that gets divided out, and you write that in front because you pull it out, right, of each term. And then if you look at them, these have n's, but this one doesn't, so the n's are not common factors. So let's see what's left in the parentheses. So I have 8m cubed divided by 4m. This gives 2m squared. Negative 12m squared n divided by 4m. This is minus 3mn. And 20mn squared divided by 4m is 5n squared. Right? So this is our answer. Okay, so this is the factored form of this expression. Right? You can check by multiplying. Make sure to do that, even if it's in your head. Right? So if I multiply, I distribute, and I have 8m to the 3 minus 12m squared n plus 20m n squared. Check term by term to see if you got the same thing. And you go, yep, it checks out.